Well, I've got another sill job. I wasn't going to do a video on it, but seeing as everyone enjoyed the polo sill job so much, I thought, well, I may as well do this one as well. So it's a Scirocco, whatever you want to call it, VW. This is the vehicle. There you go, it's one of them. So this video might be interesting to a few people because you can't get the sills for them. Or at least I can't find a sill for them anyway. Apparently you've got to buy the full side, which includes the quarter panel, to get the full sill. Lovely. Anyway, I've got some sheet steel on order and it should be getting delivered today. In the meantime, I'm gonna dress all this up the best I can, ready for when it comes, the sheet steel, and then I'm gonna manufacture something, make something to fit along here to repair it. So it doesn't look great under here as well. Looks like it's been messed about with before. It's been moroned. Looks like it's had a bit of fiberglass put on there or something. So this is a categorised car. It's a Cat S or Cat N or whatever it is, and this car is a pure example of why a lot of people are scared to buy category S, category N, whatever they are, vehicles, basically cars that have been written off because it's not been economical to repair them. This is the kind of job that it's shit for me, really. People that are qualified like me repair cars properly. It spoils it for people like me being able to buy these cars, repairing them properly and selling them on and making profit, because people are scared to buy them because there's morons buying them, repairing them, a bit like this one here. Anyway, enough dribbling on. I'm gonna get on and clean this up. So I've started dressing it up, and as you can see already, it's not looking very good. Totally shot. Totally shot. Right the way down. Rotten. So looks like I'm gonna have to put like a U piece in there before I even make a sill section to weld to it. Just occurred to me, I've been getting on with this and I've had the metal delivered and I've not been videoing, so I best show you where I'm at with this. One sheet of steel, one L angle sheet of steel. So this is like a repair panel that you can make a sill out of when you can't get a sill for a particular car. You can order that and do what you can with it. Anyway, I'll show you what I've been doing so far. Come with me, this is very, very important. So we're in the back room and this is the folder, and I've just been folding some U sill sections. So here is one I made earlier and I'll show you where this is going to go. Come with me back through here. We're nearly there. Just get that out of the way, and I'll put this light on. It'll die probably straight away once the battery putting in it. But as you can see up there, when I get all that shit out of there, this here, hang on, I've got it the wrong way around, is going to go up there. Try and ram it in. So they're going up there like that, and they're going to weld onto there, onto this decent bit of metal we've got here. And then what I'll do is I'll make the sill section on here, there goes the light, and that'll weld onto there. So it'll be fresh metal from there right the way around. That is where we're at. That is where we're at. Anyway, I'm going to get on. I'm going to cut a couple more of them out, and then I'll start welding them in place, and then I'll make the outer sill. Okay, I'll be back shortly. Well, I'm just welding these sill sections in that I've made here now, and I was braying on underneath the sill, knocking it back to put the section in, and all this dropped out, and this here looks to be, well, it's a bit of masking paper, and it would have been stuffed in by some arsehole before they filled it with filler. As you can see, I've got that first sill section made, so I put a bend on it underneath, and I've got it fastened onto that back piece. It's just gripped on. Got some holes drilled on the front, ready to plug weld it onto that, onto the rear piece, the U channel that I've made and welded in there. So I'm going to get cracked on and start welding the first bit on. I've got the next section all tacked on there, and the one after that now, so it's time to weld it all up. So I got a bit carried away before filming a bit more, and I got a bit more done than I intended to before I added some more video of what I was doing, but not too bad really. So at least we've jumped on a few steps. Anyway, this is what it's looking like now. So I've got it all dressed up, I've done the filler on the joints, and I have got some primer on it, and I've sealed it all up. So all that's left now is to stone chip it and then apply a bit of paint.